Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss one more category of series involving binomial coefficients. Before that, let's work out some prerequisites. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो हमें पता होनी चाहिए इस सीरीज के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए. लाइक वी हैव r multiply by NCR. Now I can write r multiply by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial multiply by r factorial. R gets cancel out, so here we are left with r minus 1 factorial. हमारे पास एक बाइनोमियल कोफिशिएंट था NCR, उसको हमने ख़राब कर दिया. हम उसको रिस्टोर करते हैं. कैसे करेंगे? हाउ वी मेक सम बाइनोमियल कोफिशिएंट हियर. Now sum of n minus r and r minus 1 is n minus 1. So we require n minus 1 factorial in numerator. So for that I take n outside and write here n minus 1 factorial, and in denominator I have n minus r factorial multiplied by r minus 1 factorial. Okay. Now this is binomial coefficient n minus 1c r minus 1. क्वेश्चंस में हमें ये चीज़ें काम आएंगी, इसके लिए हम कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला? फॉर्मूला इज r मल्टीप्लाई बाय NCR. दिस इज इक्वल टू n मल्टीप्लाई बाय n माइनस 1c r माइनस 1. आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द फॉर्मूला. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एनी फॉर्मूला, हर एक फॉर्मूला में कुछ ना कुछ एक स्ट्रक्चरल स्पेशलिटी होती है. ठीक है. What is that speciality here? Here we have suffix r in binomial coefficient. Also here we have factor r. जब ये दोनों मैच करेंगे तो फॉर्मूला का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा? We take n outside, we take prefix outside and reduce prefix and suffix by one value. Here n becomes n minus 1, r becomes r minus 1, and here we have prefix of this binomial coefficient. Now based on this structure we have this one r multiply by n minus 1 c r. क्या होगा ये फॉर्मूला? Here prefix is n minus 1, so we here multiply with n minus 1 and then we reduce prefix and suffix by one value. So we have here n minus 2 c r minus 1. But remember here suffix must match with this factor. जो multiply हो रहा है उसके साथ match होना चाहिए. We can do some more practice, like if we have here r minus 1 multiplied by n plus 1 c r minus 1. क्या होगा ये? First of all we check these two values. These two values are matching. Prefix is n plus 1, so here we have prefix n plus 1 multiplied by, we write binomial coefficient with prefix and suffix reduced by 1. Okay, so we have here n c r minus 2. n plus 1 का n हो गया, r minus 1 का r minus 2 हो गया. Okay, now suppose we have this one r multiplied by NCR minus 1. तो यहाँ पे हम ये फॉर्मेट यूज नहीं कर सकते, because here we have r, here we have r minus 1. These two values are not matching. तो क्या कर सकते हैं? We modify this. We write like this r minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this multiply by NCR minus 1. This is equal to r minus 1. Now we split from this plus sign. We have r minus 1 multiply by NCR minus 1 plus NCR minus 1. Okay, now here these two values are matching. Okay, so we can use this format. Here we have n, so we write here n multiply by, we write binomial coefficient with prefix and suffix reduced by value 1. So we have here n minus 1c r minus 2 plus nc r minus 1. Now we will find sum of series involving binomial coefficients in which we have general term of this kind. देखते हैं ये वहाँ पे किस तरह से काम आता है. We have this first question, find the sum of the series 1 multiplied by NC1 plus 2 multiplied by NC2 plus 3 multiplied by NC3 up to n multiplied by NCn. Now first we write general term of this series. General term is rth term. This is r multiplied by NCr. इस सीरीज का जो rth term है वो ये होगा ना. When you put here r is equal to 1, we get this first term. When you put r is equal to 3, we get this third term. When we put r is equal to n, we get this nth term. We have this as a general term. So this is our general term, and we apply sigma to this general term for r is equal to 1 to n. r का जो range है वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाएगा? 1 से n तक जाएगा. Okay, now r into NCr is n multiplied by n minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, so we have to find sigma of this. Now n is constant, तो हम सिग्मा से बाहर ले सकते हैं, and then expand this sigma. We have n minus 1 c0 plus n minus 1 c1 plus n minus 1 c2 up to n minus 1 c n minus 1. Okay. Now this is complete series of binomial coefficients in which prefix is n minus 1. This is basically expansion of 1 plus 1 power n minus 1. So sum is n multiplied by 2 power n minus 1. So this is purely algebraic method. We have one more method to find this sum using calculus method, in which we differentiate binomial expansion. What we do? We consider binomial expansion 1 plus x power n is equal to nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x square and so on up to ncn x power n. Now we differentiate this with respect to x. So we get n multiplied by 1 plus x power n minus 1. This is equal to 0 plus nc1 plus 2 multiplied by nc2x. Next term will be 3 multiplied by nc3 x square and so on. Last term is n multiplied by ncn multiplied by x power n minus 1. Now clearly to get this sum, here we put x is equal to 1. So RHS is this series, and on LHS we get n multiplied by 2 power n minus 1. So we are getting the same answer. So we have two methods for this. One is this algebraic method and one is this calculus method. Also we have done this in one of the earlier videos, जिसमें हमने क्या किया था, इस सीरीज को एक बार ऐसे लिखा था, एक बार उल्टा लिखा था और फिर हमने ऐड किया था. ओके.